Hey guys, welcome back to the Financial Freedom Channel, b-rad Media. So today we're actually going to jump right into some media stuff. So I'm talking about the anatomy of a killer Facebook ad today. So we're going to do two things. First thing we're going to do is we're going to look at kind of how to deconstruct a killer Facebook ad. And this is from a guy named Kevin David. So he does courses on Amazon FBA and Facebook ads. So he does trainings on those things. And this I just pulled from one of his YouTube videos. I thought it was a great primer on how to construct a Facebook ad. So let's just dive right into it. So in order to lead off with a Facebook ad, he suggests, you got a pattern interrupt here. So people are scrolling through their Facebook feed, right? And they're looking for a certain type of content. Now, if you want to get in front of them with content that's not typical content in Facebook, like stuff that their friends are posting, things like that, you're going to need to interrupt that pattern of scrolling through, looking at cat pictures and things like that. So what he does here, he says, wait, 3 exclamation points, and there's a little boom emoji here. It's hard to see that, but so this is how he does his pattern interrupt. And then he jumps in with, kind of a typical challenge that people face. So he says, before you keep scrolling, answer me this. Why is it that even though people know e-commerce can change financial destiny, they don't go for it, right? That's a common problem people have. They know one thing, right? But they don't do it. And then the next step, he jumps in with, why is he the person that they should be listening to? People who have this problem, who know e-commerce is such a compelling place to be. Why should they trust Kevin with his information? So he talks about how Amazon FBA Ninja course, fastest growing Amazon course. He talks about over 5,000 paying students, all had the opportunity to get a refund. They chose not to. So just building credibility in this next section. And then down here, we've got a clear call to action. You get these 2 arrows, join our free training here. And then there's a link, right? So you know exactly what you're going to be getting when you click this link, free training. Then you've got the image here. That's what people want, right? They want the money. This isn't the actual image that he uses. It's just a stock image that he threw in here. Really important to optimize this image. Because that's going to be one of the first things people notice is the image. So you want to make it compelling. Actually, if you really want to make it compelling, do video. Facebook is really starting to prioritize ads and content that have video. So that's really important. Optimize the image or the video thumbnail that's going to be showing if it is a video. You get your display URL. You want it to sound official, sound related to the person who's advertising. The link headline. So again, you've got a call to action. Today only, you've got time-sensitive call to action there. Okay. Today only. It's free. You're taking away all of those, objections that people might have. And you know exactly what you're going to get. You're going to get Amazon training for beginners. Very clear there. And the link description, this pokes at another pain point. Are you tired of working for the man? Going to the same 9-to-5 job day after day after day. So it's really poking at that pain point. Like, oh man, people who have that, who have that 9-to-5 day after day, the drudgery, this ad is really speaking to them. Like, okay, yeah, I need to give this a shot. So there you go, guys. Anatomy of a rock star Facebook ad from this guy, Kevin David. He's doing a ton of Facebook. Like, he plows thousands of dollars a day into Facebook advertising. So You know, he's spent a lot of money. He's tested a lot of ads. He's come up with this, pretty simple, pretty straightforward anatomy of a killer Facebook ad. All right. So that's that. Next thing I want to do, I want to jump in to an actual Facebook ad in my niche, which is multifamily real estate investing. Okay. So how I got to this, I mentioned it a few videos ago, but there's this website called Ad Espresso. Okay. So I went to Ad Espresso. You can look at ad examples in Ad Espresso. So I just typed in multifamily, and I could see that the Michael Blank business page was running ads related to apartment building investing, multifamily real estate investing. So this ad actually really, really struck me. I was really impressed by this ad from Michael Blank. Um, so I want to walk through the ad based on what we just looked at in terms of the anatomy of a killer Facebook ad. And we'll kind of see how Michael's doing here with his Facebook ad.